Hey guys, in this video, you're going to learn some smart and effective ways of learning English. Let's get started. Don't be afraid of making mistakes because nobody's perfect and those mistakes are useful. Practice every day, make yourself a study plan, decide how much time you're going to spend studying and stick to it. Practice the focus skills, reading, writing, speaking, and listening. Keep a notebook of new words you learn. Try to use them in your conversation. Use your body clock. If you're not a morning person, study in the afternoon. Don't try to be perfect because nobody is perfect. Expand your vocabulary and idiomatic phrases. Listen to English radio or podcasts.